Bonjour aux collègues en Europe et aux États-Unis
Good afternoon to others in other parts of the country.
et bonsoir euh,
Right away,
aux
I'll
autres
carry on
dans
what
d'autres parties du
Mark was
monde.
talking and try and answer how the Azim Premji Foundation
Alors,
got involved
la
in this program.
Fondation Azim
As a
Premji
foundation, while
est
they have
une
various things that they have across
fondation
the arm, one
qui
aspect
travaille
is centered
sur
around
des
their work
objectifs
to
philanthropiques
address, the vulnerability,
et
the
envisage
well-being of people who are
d'adresser le
vulnerable and
bien-être
marginalized.
de personnes qui sont
Azim Azim
vulnérables
farmers is
et
is an important
marginalisées.
group
Et donc, un
towards
groupe
well-being. We try
important,
and work
c'est des petits
through our
agriculteurs,
partner
des agriculteurs avec des petites
organizations in the relief sector,
exploitations.
and in the case of Andhra Pradesh, with the government of Andhra Pradesh. Not to repeat, but to very quickly
Pour ne
say that
pas
the
répéter,
situation of small and
mais
marginal
alors,
farmers in India is
la
quite precarious.
situation
There
des
have been
agriculteurs, des
recent
petits
studies are suggesting that a
exploitations en
significant number of
Inde
these
est assez précaire.
families are no longer getting
Les
classified as
familles
farmers because
ne
their
sont
primary income is
plus
shifting to wage labor.
classifiés
To,
en tant
um,
qu'agriculteurs à cause des étiquetages
the young
différents.
people, the youth in these families,
Les jeunes
increasingly
au
are
sein de ces
hesitant
familles
to continue their ancestral tradition and practices.
hésitent, ont des
Parents
doutes s'ils vont
in farming,
continuer
their
sur la
expectations
voie de
are different
l'agriculture, leurs
as well.
attentes sont
Um,
différentes,
this is
etc.
and on the farm income side, things are precarious. We all know because of
Et
a host of reasons.
puis, il y a les revenus
Rapid
aussi
climate,
qui changent.
increased
Il y
costs
a
in existing
le changement
practices
dans
in
le
farming,
climat, l'augmentation des coûts
resulting in
dans les pratiques
significant cost pressures.
d'agriculture intensive.
A lot of organizations that we work with have
Nous travaillons
for
avec d'autres
many
organisations
decades
pour pas
looked
mal
at
de
increasing the
décennies
incomes of farmers.
pour pouvoir
Some of them,
augmenter
they are
le
quite
revenu
super. We have
des
found that
agriculteurs.
the, even after incomes have improved, and after people having growing, let's say, sufficient amount of cereal to feed themselves for an entire
Et
year,
quand on a eu une
still
augmentation
the
dans
situation
le
hasn't improved much.
revenu,
Very
on a
marginally.
pu avoir une
And
augmentation dans les récoltes,
all this
mais la
because of
situation
the fact that
nutritionnelle
the COVID,
n'avait pas
post-COVID situation
changé.
relies
Et c'était plus
heavily
évident pendant
on
la
communities.
pandémie
They don't
COVID-19
depend so much on nutritional situation.
et quand on a vu
And
que
India has a
l'immunité
very
dépend aussi
important
sur
aspect
la
of starting
nutrition.
with. It probably has come down in the last couple of years. I'm talking of a 2-year-old data, but it's alarming in terms of what it does in
En ce qui
terms of
concerne
the human potential
le
coming to
potentiel
wage.
humain
That's
des
what we are
générations
speaking
à
today.
venir, on a des menaces et donc il faut adresser ce
I
type de
don't think,
questions.
we have about 55% of our
On a
population which
environ
which is
55%
considered as primarily
de la
derived livelihood
population
from agriculture. I don't
qui
think
sont
we will have a situation like Europe
impliqués
or US even in the next
dans
50 years,
l'agriculture.
where we will have
Je ne
2%
crois pas
or 8% population
qu'on aura la situation
dependent on
comme
agriculture
en Europe
for livelihood.
et aux États-Unis, seulement entre 10 et 8% de la population qui
This,
dépendent sur l'agriculture pour leur
the
subsistance.
both income as well as reduced vulnerability of people,
L'augmentation
especially the small and marginal farmers, through the agriculture and farming
de
sector. And
revenus
85% of all our farmers are small and marginal farmers.
est quelque chose qui est vraiment
What we
difficile,
assume
surtout quand on parle de
internationally,
85%
the
des agriculteurs
organization
qui
like
sont
Union and Data compiled
des,
look at
des agriculteurs
wider
des petites
in terms of the
exploitations qui
well-being of
sont
farmers.
très âgés.
Um,
Et donc,
and definitely it includes enhancing strengthening
on
the
regarde
the
l'amélioration de
conditions
renforcer
the stability and
la subsistance
stability
pour
in terms of
créer une
a significant
stabilité
increase
et une
in income,
augmentation
but
importante dans les revenus,
reducing vulnerability
mais en même temps de
as
réduire
well.
la vulnérabilité
And
aussi.
that includes,
Ça, ceci
the
inclut
sustainability aspect in terms of ensuring
l'aspect de
workforce
durabilité
distribution,
en
which is
assurant
operating at a very low
euh,
rate in the country, especially groundwater
plusieurs
management operating
choses
compatible with
dans ce travail, donc une meilleure
resilience of
gestion
farmers,
d'eau, la
which
résilience
has
des
resulted
agriculteurs, une nutrition
as well.
améliorée,
And we also,
entre autres.
you know, believe that the
Nous
agency
croyons
of people, their
que
knowledge is also something
les
that we should
gens,
both
leurs
recognize and
connaissances
build.
doivent être reconnues.
It
Il
hasn't
faut
now in
construire
the midst of
là-dessus.
our large extension systems
la
ignored or
plupart
invisibilized.
de
Many of
cette
these initiatives,
population
uh,
d'agriculteurs est
so what I
invisible,
believe,
surtout
after
les
today's
femmes.
case and how we have partnered, as Vijay Kumar
Alors,
was saying,
comme Vijay Kumar disait, on est un partenaire dans ce
civil
projet.
society has done
La
significant work in
société civile
promoting
a
gardening and
fait beaucoup de
agroecology.
travail
Important innovations have happened
et il y a eu
across the
des
globe and
innovations
even in
importantes
India as
qui ont
well.
eu lieu à
Not
travers le
only this,
globe et
do
aussi
very
en Inde.
diverse kinds of interventions, and
Mais
their footprint
i-
is
on exige
remains
plusieurs
significant
interventions
for a
et
large scale project.
l'empreinte
And the
est
initial
quand
projects
même
we have seen
assez importante.
require a significant support and backing of
On exige
the
un
government,
soutien de la part du
political
gouvernement,
will to back it up,
l'engagement
and
politique
people inside the government who
et
can be champions
les gens au sein du gouvernement qui
and who
sont
get
les
behind the
champions de ce
program.
projet
Um,
et qui vont voir la fin aussi de ce projet.
we had the
Donc, on a
understanding
eu
government at its highest political level
plusieurs parties prenantes. On a eu
had significant participation.
le gouvernement
This
qui a
supported
montré
and
un engagement assez
we
fort.
had somebody like Vijay Kumar who
On
has
avait Vijay Kumar
the reputation and the past
qui a
experience
la
of
réputation,
leading
l'expérience
large programs
euh,
in the country,
de mener des projets, des
with
grands projets
success
dans le
of large
pays.
scale women self-help group creation in the
Par
country
exemple,
where women
la
lead the
création des
institutions.
groupes des femmes, etc.
There is presence of good civil society
Il y
organizations
a la
in Andhra
présence
Pradesh,
importante des
and
organisations de la société
as
civile en
highest
Andhra Pradesh.
in Andhra Pradesh, you have this
Et il y
big
avait
network of
aussi
women self-help group, which
ce réseau, ce grand
all parts of
réseau
Andhra
euh,
Pradesh.
de,
Um,
de groupes de développement
all
personnel des
many
femmes.
factors came together,
Donc,
and
tous ces facteurs
we
ensemble
gone ahead and supported this effort.
ont mené
Our
au soutien de ce projet.
our support has been, I would say, it's close to like being a true partner. We
Donc,
realized that
notre
for this is
soutien
going to be
était
an
en tant
international
que,
program,
on va
we
dire,
need
un
to
vrai
continuously
partenaire.
learn and
On
develop and
continue à découvrir et
innovate.
apprendre et il
And
faut continuer
so there has
toujours
been
à
always
changer.
a very flexible kind of support.
Et donc, c'est un soutien qui a été
So
toujours
we
assez
have
flexible
supported
pour
this
faire face au
effort
changement.
in
On
ways
a
in which
soutenu ces
traditional
efforts
government monies don't flow. For example,
dans
affordable housing
des
resources.
nouvelles façons.
Leniency to the government to say we can pay only so much and we cannot
Donc, normalement, les
have
gouvernements vont donner un
other
financement
programs
pour
being run.
quelque chose en
This is a
particulier.
philanthropic group,
Mais
and I think it has
c'est
been
ici
talked
où
about
cette
in
initiative
Vijay
philanthropique
Kumar and the Andhra Pradesh
rentre
effort.
dans
We
ce
also were
contexte
keen
pour
and
travailler sur les
determined to
financements
bring in
disponibles.
third party
On a aussi
independent third party evaluation like of
eu
Ipsa.
des évaluations indépendantes de
This
parties
is the
tiers
evidence that will be required for such a program,
pour
given the
mettre en
kind of
place les preuves qu'il faut pour ce type de
and
programme.
the forces that are aligned potentially against this and which are likely to build up more and more in the future. The fertilizer lobby, the
Et
seed
il y a
lobby, and
bien
of
sûr
course
les
the
différents
Association of
lobbies,
Europe for Agricultural Scientists who have been showing
les lobbies des engrais, des
much more
graines
resistance to have
et,
a fresh
et
look
bien
and
sûr il y a de la résistance pour avoir des nouvelles approches.
research and discovery to say what
Et
this
donc il
program
fallait
will do.
avoir une recherche
So that's the
indépendante, une
way
évaluation indépendante pour
looking at
montrer ce que ce
what
projet
this place
peut
with
offrir.
both our purpose in mind and a sense of the coming together of important
Et donc, c'était notre
factors
objectif
in Andhra
et de
Pradesh.
travailler
And the
ensemble
results have
sur
been
plusieurs facteurs en
encouraging.
Andhra Pradesh.
A lot more needs to happen in this space. We're talking about a paradigm shift. We will
On
have
a-
to build
on
various systems
parle
which have not been
d'un changement de
cannot
paradigme et il y a plusieurs
there
systèmes
now as
qui n'existent pas et qu'il
there
faut
was a mention about
construire dès le
how
début.
input shops are coming together, so backward linkages need to be built.
On a
We're already
mentionné aussi
getting
le
sales
fait
in
qu'il y
Andhra
a des
Pradesh
changements en ce
from
qui concerne
um,
les magasins
not
d'intrants
just what the
sur
program is
site.
doing today in building human resources, but over
Et
a
donc,
period of
il faut
time.
regarder
I
ce
think
que le programme fait
that
aujourd'hui dans l'augmentation
this
des
industry
ressources,
will produce the
mais
practitioners will
aussi
have
sur
lot
le
of
long
affiliate programs
terme.
which who are going to
Même
build
les
institutions
universités,
and
où on a les étudiants qui suivent leur
um,
doctorat et qui vont
I
continuer à
would hope
augmenter les connaissances.
thank you.
Donc, je vais m'arrêter ici et je vous remercie.